Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. Today's topic is bandaging. I, JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Assistant Professor of Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnosis from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. The bandaging. The definition: bandaging is the process of covering a wound or an injured part. Uses bandaging are used for following purpose to prevent contaminated of wound by holding dressing in position, to provide support to the part that is injured, sprained or dislocated joint, to provide rest to the part that is injured, to prevent control hemorrhage. Restrict movement, immobilize a fracture or a dislocation, to correct deformity, to maintain pressure, elastic bandage apply to the improve venous return. Type of bandage: triangular bandage, roller bandage, special bandage. एग्जाम्पल के लिए टी बैंडेज. Material commonly used for bandage: cotton gauze, jute, wool. Special material like crepe bandage, elastic bandage. Parts: roller for bandage, head, free end or tail. Parts: triangular of bandage, point end, base and end. Size of bandage. The size of the bandage varies according to the part it is supposed to bandage. पार्ट एज हेड विड्थ होती है 5 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ होती है 4 to 6 मीटर. लाइक ट्रंक विड्थ 10 to 15 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ 6 to 8 सेंटीमीटर. लेग विड्थ 6 to 8 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ 4 सेंटीमीटर. आर्म 5 to 6 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ 3 to 4 सेंटीमीटर. फिंगर 2.5 विड्थ सेंटीमीटर होती है और लेंथ 2 मीटर होती है. हैंड 5 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ होगी और 3 मीटर लेंथ होगी. रिस्ट 5 सेंटीमीटर विड्थ और 3 मीटर लेंथ. Principles: select a bandage of proper size or suitable material. Put the patient in a comfortable position, supporting the injured area while bandaging. If a joint is involved, flex it slightly. Face the patient while applying the bandage, except when applying it to the head. Hold the roll of the bandage in the right hand when applying bandage on the left side. Hold the bandage with the roll uppermost and apply the outer surface to the skin, unrolling a few centimeters of the bandage at a time. Put some cotton wool on the part to be bandaged so that the bandage does not slip or cause cutting into the skin underneath. Bandage from below upward and from within outward. Hold the end of the bandage over the outer aspect of the injured area. Wind the bandage around the part twice to fix it. When bandaging a limb, start within an oblique turn to keep the bandage in position as an alternative method. Cover 2/3 of the bandage by the next one while covering a large area by winding a roller bandage around the part. Keep the edge parallel. Keep vein not too tight. Pressure while applying bandage. Too tight bandage interferes with circulation. Finish with a straight turn. Fix the end with a safety pin, strictly plaster or by dividing the terminal portion to the bandage longitudinally, trying the two ends around the bandage part. If possible, leave finger, toes exposed to check circulation. Do not bandage the part too tightly or too loosely. Observe the extremity carefully for any sign of swelling, blueness due to interference with circulation by bandage that is too tight. When removing a bandage, pass it from one hand to other hand so that it collect the concertia fashion. Following terms are used in roller bandage: simple spiral, reverse spiral, figure of 8 or spica. Simple spiral. This type of bandage is used for uniform thickness part, example के wrist or finger. Each turn of the bandage overlaps the previous turn. Reversal spiral. This bandage is used for the part where the thickness varies, example the legs, forearm. It is applied in the same way as the general spiral bandage, but each turn is reversed as necessary to prevent gapping to make the bandage smooth. Figure of 8. This bandage is used for elbow, knee joint. The bandage is made by forming the two loops or oblique turn over a joint. The turn alternately ascend and descend to cover the part. Spica. It is a form of figure of 8 bandage. The turn is larger than the other. It is used for joint at right angle to the body, English shoulder, groin or thumb. 5. Special bandage, many trail bandage. This bandage is usually used for the abdominal wound, chest injury. It is the prepared from a number of strips or trail, flap or flannels or cotton material. It is 4 to 6 inch wide, has sufficient length to cover the affected area. Step of applying roller bandage: fixing, rolling or securing. Fixing, rolling or securing. Checking circulation after bandaging, pressing nail, checking pulse, tingling, coldness, inability to move finger. Tying the bandage. For tying the bandage, a free knot must be always used. Knot should not cause discomfort. Tuck the loose end of bandage out of sight. Sling. Definition: sling are used to provide support and protection for injured arm, wrist, and hand, or for immobilizing an upper limb when there are arm or chest injury. Type of sling: arm sling, elevation sling, or improvised sling. Arm sling: this is used when there are injury to the upper limb and for some chest injury. It holds the forearm across the chest, but it only effective the casualty side sits or stand. When an arm sling is the correct position, the casualty hand will be slightly higher than the elbow. The base of the triangular bandage should be lie at the root of the little finger, leaving the fingernails unexposed. Method of application: ask the casualty to sit down and support the forearm on the injured side with the wrist and hand slightly higher than the elbow. Using the hollow between the elbow and the chest, slide one end of the triangular bandage between the chest and forearm so that its points reach well beyond the elbow. Place the upper end over the shoulder on the sound side and around the back of the neck to the front of the injured side. Still supporting the forearm, carry the lower end of the bandage up over the hand and forearm and using a reef knot tie off on the injured side to hollow above the collarbone. Bring the point forward and secure it to the front of the bandage with a safety pin. Check the circulation. If it is affected, adjust the bandage or the position of the sling. Elevation sling. This sling is used to support the hand and forearm in a well-raised position. If the hand is bleeding, there are complicated chest injury, there are shoulder injury, collar and cuff sling. This is used to support the wrist only. Method of application: the elbow is bent, forearm is placed across the chest in such a way that the finger touch the opposite shoulder. Now the sling is applied. A clove hitch passes around the wrist and the end tied to the hollow above the collarbone on the injured side. Clove hitch is made with a narrow bandage. Two loops are made and laid one on top of the other. Triangular sling, this used to treat a fracture of the collarbone. It helped to keep the hand raised high up, giving relief from pain due to the fracture. Method of application: place the forearm across the chest with the finger pointing toward the opposite shoulder and the palm over the breastbone. Place an open bandage over the chest with one hand over the hand and the point beyond the elbow. Improvised sling. If no triangular bandage are available, sling may be improvised in several ways to provide support. Turn the free end of the coat and pin it to the clothing. Pass the hand inside the buttoned coat or shirt. Pin the sleeve of the injured limb to cloth. Use muffler, scarf, belt, tie, or shop cloth. Now, splint. Splint is a rigid appliance, usually made of wood or metal, which is tied to a fracture limb to support it and prevent movement from taking place at the site of fracture. Using a splint, if a splint is not used properly, it may cause damage. Therefore, remember the following point when using a splint. Make sure that the splint is well padded. This is particularly important when splints are improvised from pieces of wood which are uneven. Make sure that the splint is sufficiently long to immobilize the joint above and the joint below the fracture. Make sure that the bandage used to secure the splint above the knot tied on the splint and not on the flags. Plaster splint, and is the Thomas splint, commonly used splint in orthopedic. It was discovered by H.O. Thoms in 1876 to assist by ambulatory treatment by TB knee. It is now widely used for the treatment of shaft fracture, femur knee injury, etc. Part of Thomas splint. A Thomas splint consists of a four-part, a padded metal oval ring with soft two side bar, one inner and another out bar of equal length. They bisect the oval ring distal end where the two side bar are joined in the form of a W. Outer side bar is angled 2 inch below the padded ring to clear prominent greater trochanter. Uses of Thomas splint as a first aid measure to immobilize the lower limb injury, for transportation for injured patient in the treatment of joint diseases like TB knee, septic arthritis, etc. उसके बाद now next is a Bowler Born splint. Bowler modification Born splint is consist of a heavy metallic frame with four pulleys. Proximal pulley prevent foot drop. Second pulley to apply traction in the line of femur. Third pulley to apply traction in the line of supracondylar area of the femur. Fourth pulley to apply traction in line of the leg. Indication: a skeleton traction is applied through this frame for communicated trochanteric fracture of the femur. It is also used for treatment of fracture shaft femur and supracondylar fracture of the femur. Rarely it can be used for the fracture shaft of tibia and fibula. One important precaution which should be taken while using the BB splint and Barhol splint to provide support at the fracture site and not at the knee joint to prevent angulation, especially in supracondylar fracture of femur. Problem of BB splint: make nursing care difficult. It is heavy and cum- cumbersome frame. It is associated with recumbent problem like bad sores, hypostatic pneumonia, renal calculi, etc. Thank you.